take these and wrap you up a little bit. One reindeer bag. And then, there you go, Nate. You feeling warmer? Good. I'm almost done with my shelter, but it looks like my camping buddy's taking a little nap. This is a blast match. It's basically ferrous rod and steel. I'm having a little trouble starting my fire, so I'm gonna go old school. Building a fire in the cold is a lot like building a fire in the rain. Nathan woke up, and we need to get this boy some food. Oh, that looks good.